Today's video is about my studio gear. I spent $5,000 on what? Stay tuned. First piece of gear is the Faderport 8 production controller. Has 8 faders. Has a transport. Arm, mute, select, pan button. Retail price $600. Next piece, you're gonna need an audio interface. This is the Universal Audio Apollo Twin Duo. Retail price $800. And for my studio monitors, I have the Rocket 5s by KRK. I paid $400 for them. And then I have a power conditioner, Furman. And the retail price is $380. And for my studio headphones, I have the Audio Technicas. They're retailed at $100. And then this is a workstation desk. Retail price is $300. And this is a condenser microphone by Everton. Retail price $4.99. Pop filter, traditional pop filter, $30. A reflection filter, $100. I'll leave all the links in the description. The computer I'm working on is a iMac 2012. Retail price was $1,200. If you guys want me to do more reviews on studio gear, comment below more studio gears or a part 2. If you guys want a part 2, let me know in the comments. Also, what kind of videos you guys want to see, like some video ideas, stuff like that. And remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned.